Alright, we've got the X-wing apart here, and I'm replacing a motor because this motor went. They are 10 by 20 and it was tough sourcing them out, but I finally did. Here's what I got. EA Sheen, whoever that is. So if you look in here, each motor corresponds to a different colored cable or wire. So the blue and the red, those turn a special way. I think it's counterclockwise. And then the black ones turn, black and white turns clockwise. So they had literally a million little screws. They were everywhere in here. I mean, just flip it over and you can see they were literally everywhere. So what I had to do here on this 10 by 20 motor here, so I had to extend the wires, because the wires have to come all the way back here, all the way around and snake all the way up and then into its, which is right here. It's this one. And this one right here, this is for the lights back here. Now I colored them, color coded them. I just took a permanent marker and made one of those red. So this way I colored it red here so I knew which one, where to put it back. So I had to extend these because these come and the wires are very short. And also this connection wasn't correct. So you're going to have to use this connection that Propel, put a propeller on. That was the wrong way. This goes like this.
I got a text from Linda Smith, and she said, huh? That's APEC. Yep.
It's this little piece, yep, I'll snap in. That kind of holds the motor in there. See from the other side. Now we can go ahead and put this back on. Should be good. Now you want to snake this along here. And this is going to be tricky with this here. I did solder these two here. But I just, electrical tape just for some peace of mind. Now, where am I going to put all this extra flippy flappy